PC building tips for beginners: don't cheap out on your power supply, because if one component in your system is going to set your PC on fire, it'll be your power supply. So I would always try and get one from a recognised brand, and if your budget allows it, try and get one with at least a gold rating. To work out how many watts you need, I would recommend using an online calculator. You go ahead and put in all your components, whether you're going to be overclocking or not, and it will give you a recommendation of how many watts you need. In general, you don't want to just max your power supply's rating with your system's maximum load, because power supplies operate much more efficiently when they're not running under full load, and this also means that they're going to run cooler and quieter, so make sure you leave yourself some headroom when picking the power supply.